Significant what he didn't tell us. He did tell us that this is our bow, this is our stern, or the back of the ship, and it's over here, 235. That's relative bearing. That's different than course. That tells you where to look. If you're looking forward and they say 235, you know it's over there somewhere. That means if it's going that way, we're going to turn the ship, get it to cross our bow, fire our hedgehogs, drop our depth charges that we'll see later. And when we get to the pilot house, we'll see what we're going to do next. Any questions about sonar? For a sonar man, one of the best parts about the job is what he doesn't have to do. He doesn't have to ever be a mess cook. He's going to go to sonar school right after boot camp. How do they know who to send? Hearing test. Who make very good sonarmen? Any guesses? A musician. Are you a musician? Yeah, so if it was at the real faint part, this gentleman would probably be able to hear it. Musicians make good sonarmen. Assuming all the other conditions are right.
So would they have the sonar running all the time?
Well, maybe not when you were in, but pretty much when the U.S. was in the war, ships were being sunk right off the coast, so the answer is yes. Now, not everybody has to have theirs on all at the same time.
They're always listening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because what happens when you send out a signal?
Because they can receive it.
They can receive it. We'll talk about that in a second. So this is the universe for this ship as far as concerned. Over there, you see the universe as a convoy looks, with all these D's in red around the periphery, all with a code name. And we've chosen Uncas for this ship. Uncas just happens to be in the front of the convoy, and they're going to be going back and forth in a narrow pi shape. So some ships didn't have to use their sonar for one reason or another. They can expand the pi, actually, the pi slice. But pretty much in World War II, they're going to be very careful to always have at least listening, active listening, because submarines do make noise. And once you start your sonar, it does make a noise when it hits the submarine. So yes, they do hear us. Okay, let's go up to the pilot house.